Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here for GME. Today we actually did make a bit of a lower low, I think, in terms of GameStop, right? We just wicked down lower here and we kind of held the $23.50 level. I got back in today in GME right on this wick down. So probably my entry is probably right around here, $24.60. I'm pretty sure that's my entry. So I'm still holding, GME, and I think that we're still getting ready for some more upside. We could have technically finished this fifth wave here with some bullish divergence on the 15-minute, right? A nice little bullish divergence setup that I was talking about yesterday, right? On the 12-minute time frame. I said we might get another wave down here with a lower low and a nice anchor wave. So that kind of triggered a nice little rally afterwards. And it was pretty much sideways chop to a little bit of downside throughout the day. And then a nice solid green dot at the end of the day. So again, it's not to say that we can't go lower. But if we do go lower, this is the target area. And like last time, we dipped down very quickly. And we touched it or got pretty darn close. Oh no, we just touched it to like a penny, and then we reversed out of that area. So that just goes to show you Elliott wave. Well, the way my system works, right? It's quite good, and the results speak for themselves. So I'm just impatient, right? I'm just thinking that GameStop might be too bullish here to even dip back down to these levels, because it seems to be, it seems that every dip we get kind of gets bought up. But I could be wrong, right? Maybe I'm wrong, and we do end up getting this dip down and this extension. So we'll have to see. We got to be patient. I know a lot of people are, hoping that we just pump like crazy out of nowhere. But I think we got this one in the bag, right? I think Keith Gill's going to come through with some good news, and it's going to drive the stock higher, right? And I'm not looking for a short squeeze, right? That was like a once in a lifetime kind of thing. The hedge funds know about this now, not to overshort stocks. But what's going to drive this is like a fundamental rally, right? It's going to be people and maybe even other hedge funds that want to get in on this stock. And it's going to, by the time they get in, they're going to all FOMO in. It's going to be too late. So I think that's why I'm building a position now in GameStop, and I think we're gonna have a nice rally to come. Let's get into some more details as well, right? So I'm seeing a lot of people are saying, why would a stock go up, right? I mean, it just let's take away the fact that this company is called GameStop, right? And we'll call it Nvidia, right? Let's just take a look at another example. Let's take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia is getting very detached now from reality. It continues to rally higher and higher, erasing divergences left and right. In similar situation for SMCI, right? It's a very relatively small semiconductor company. It's rallying to new highs, and it's just things that keep making highs will keep making higher highs, right? So once GameStop gets going, right, and I do think the trend is shifting for GME. Right, we can see that on Market Cipher. We got green money flow on the daily time frame now. So I think this is just a dip to buy. I think once we make higher highs and we clear this high, we're going to keep making higher highs. And it's not to say that it's going to continue forever like Nvidia. But I think we got a good shot of getting back to 120 a share. Right, and I know there's a lot of disbelief and negativity, right, for the people who don't believe in this company. But I'm willing to bet that they're gonna do something good with the cash that they've accumulated, and there's a reason Keith Gill, a Roaring Kitty, has so much money into the stock once again. It's because he believes in the fundamentals, right? And they raised a lot of money by getting these rallies going up and down, left and right. They were able to raise a lot. So right now, I saw smart money buying today on the 24-minute time frame. Last time they did this, they bought the dip after the initial drop here. Once we rallied to $61 and it dipped all the way back down. And then they bought, right? And then, obviously we had to wait a little bit, probably 12 to 14 days. We got another substantial rally. And then this dip came back down, and then they bought it again. And then we had another substantial rally of 40%. Now we're kind of breaking this pattern, I guess you could say, you know, from, or at least from the line that I have here. I guess you could make it lower, right? It really depends on how you want to make it fit, but I found that we have more touch points here. So they bought again today. So this tells me that I think we're going to get a move rather soon. To in the medium term, we should probably get some movement, right? And I mean, we got to go get our boys, but it's going to take some time, right? We got to be patient with this one, guys. I know there was a lot of hype built up for the GameStop shareholder meeting and bring your kitty to work day or bring your cat to work day, right, with Keith Thiel. But again, those are just hype events in my opinion. I think we got to focus on other things and don't just get wrapped up into the media, because it turned out to be a sell the news event, right? The stock dropped like 12% in that day, and today was down a little bit more. It was down like 4%. That's that's when I opened a new position. So we'll see if I'm right. You know, I can be wrong, but so far so good. And let's hope that if we are lucky enough to get another dip down, I might even add to my position once again down here at $21.67, or even a little bit lower, maybe 20 bucks. So let's see. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, guys, and I will catch you guys on tomorrow's GME analysis. But again, thanks for the support, everyone. We're at 1,300 subscribers, and you guys have given me more views than since I started this channel in like a couple of days. So it's pretty remarkable. Have a good day.